Hey everyone, welcome back to our finance channel. Today, we're diving into some smart money tips that will help you make the most of your hard-earned cash. And to keep things entertaining, we'll sprinkle in a bit of comedy along the way. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Right, let's start with the foundation of financial success, budgeting. Now, I know budgeting can be as exciting as watching paint dry, but fear not, we're going to make it fun. Puts on silly sunglasses, budgeting is like dressing up your money. You want to give each dollar a fabulous outfit. We'll allocate funds for expenses, savings, and even a little treat-yourself money. Saving money doesn't have to be dull. In fact, let's gamify it. Treat your savings like a game. Set up milestones and reward yourself when you hit them. It could be a mini vacation or that gadget you've been eyeing. Saving is a lot more fun when you have a juicy prize waiting for you. Dancing your way out of debt. Why not? Remember, the faster you pay off debts, the more money you save in interest. Turn it into a dance-off with your debts. Each month, make a goal to pay off a certain amount and celebrate your victories with those funky dance moves. Yeehaw! Let's ride the investment rodeo, partner. Investing can be intimidating, but it's essential for growing your money. So, saddle up and explore different investment options. Just like a rodeo, there might be ups and downs, but it's all part of the wild ride. Saving money is as sweet as candy, and we've got some coupon clipping hacks that will blow your mind. Find apps and websites that offer discounts, and watch your savings stack up higher than this mountain of coupons. Tip 6. Smart credit card strategies. Credit cards can be tricky, but we've got some clever strategies to make them work for you. Choose cards with rewards that suit your lifestyle. Rack up points and cash back, and use them to treat yourself without guilt. Ready to make some extra cash? Become a side hustle detective. Unleash your inner creativity and find unique ways to make money on the side. Who knows, you might discover a hidden talent. Let's tackle that grocery budget with some meal planning madness. Planning your meals ahead not only saves money, but also avoids those what should we eat tonight headaches. And hey, don't forget to throw in a fancy dinner every once in a while. You deserve it. Subscriptions can be sneaky money munchers. Grab your scissors and trim the fat on subscriptions you rarely use. It's time for a subscription cutback party. Abracadabra, it's time for some DIY money magic. From fixing stuff around the house to creating your own gifts, DIY saves money and adds a personal touch. Your wallet will thank you. Tip 11. Cashback craze. Who doesn't love getting money back on their purchases? Cashback is like finding money in your couch cushions, except it's even better. Use cashback apps and credit cards to earn some of your money back with every purchase. It's the cashback craze, and you're invited. Tip 12. Emergency fund dares. Emergency funds don't have to be dull. Let's spice it up with some daredevil challenges. Each month, set a daring goal for your emergency fund contribution. You'll build a safety net and feel like a superhero, all in one. Tip 13. Travel hacks with a twist. Time for some travel hacks with a twist. You can save a fortune on travel if you're willing to be a little adventurous. Try out alternative accommodations, take advantage of travel rewards, and embrace spontaneous trips. Your wallet will thank you for these thrifty travel escapades. Tip 14. Financial comedy open mic. And finally, let's wrap it up with some financial comedy. Host your very own financial comedy open mic. Invite friends over, and each of you shares your funniest money-related stories. Laughter is the best medicine, especially for your wallet. Conclusion. That's a wrap, my fellow finance enthusiasts. We've covered 14 smart money tips with plenty of comedy along the way. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making this video. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial laughs. Until next time, keep making the most of your money and stay financially fabulous.